Effect of source resistance on parallel resonant circuit. Let the source resistance of the generator or the source driving a parallel resonant circuit is Rs. As shown in figure, Vs is the generator or driving source for this parallel resonant circuit where L, R and C are connected in parallel, and this is the source resistance of this voltage source Vs. This is figure A, which is showing parallel resonant circuit, and its equivalent circuit is also drawn over here, where a voltage source is replaced by a current source. So a voltage source is replaced by a current source. So this series resistance will be converted to a parallel resistance, as this is a current source. Here voltage source, so resistance is in series. Current source, so resistance will be in parallel. So current source in parallel with the source resistance Rs, and this represents the equivalent impedance of parallel resonant circuit, that is ZD or dynamic impedance. This represents entire impedance of this parallel resonant circuit. Now let us see the effect of this source resistance on entire circuit. What happens? Okay, so we know formula for dynamic impedance of parallel resonant circuit or ZD is ZD is equal to L divided by CR. This we had derived in previous videos. You can refer previous videos for this dynamic impedance of parallel resonant circuit. Now due to Rs appearing in parallel with ZD as shown in figure, we get modified impedance due to source resistance. Okay, you can see in this figure, this source resistance is in parallel with this ZD. So the modified equivalent impedance of this circuit will be represented by Z dash. Z dash is equal to ZD in parallel with Rs. Now equivalent impedance of this Rs and ZD will be Rs in parallel with L by CR from this formula. Rs into L by CR divided by Rs plus L by CR. So now make it simple. It will be Rs dot L, this CR will be shifted in the denominator and it will multiply to all the terms. So C dot R dot Rs will be there, plus now this CR will cancel this denominator, so only L is left here. So Rs dot L divided by C dot R dot Rs plus L. Now for simplicity, let us divide numerator and denominator by source resistance Rs. Source resistance Rs. So here only L will be left, here C dot R will be left, and here L by Rs will be left. So we will get Z dash is equal to L divided by C dot R plus L by Rs. Now if you see here, this L by CR is nothing but ZD from this expression, and new impedance is Z dash. So we can see कि previous impedance has been reduced by the term 1 upon L by Rs. As here ZD, we are adding something in the denominator. So when something is added in the denominator, entire value of this side will also reduce. Okay, so there is addition of L by Rs term here. Therefore we can conclude कि equivalent impedance of parallel resonant circuit is decreased by the amount of L by Rs. Now again let us see the effect of this Rs on bandwidth as well as the quality factor. Again we are making this expression simple. Let this capacitance value be taken as common. So we will have Z dash is equal to L divided by capacitance common R plus L divided by C dot R, as there was no C in the right hand side term. Now here L by C dot Rs represents increased value of resistance due to Rs. Okay, so this R dash, that is increase in the total resistance, is represented as R plus L by C dot Rs. Okay, so from this we can come to the expression for quality factor. Quality factor for anti-resonant circuit with source resistance. So we are indicating Q anti-resonance dash is equal to omega angular frequency at parallel resonance, omega L dot R. So omega anti-resonance dot L divided by R dash. Now this R dash will be, we are writing the value of R dash here. So again make it simple, omega L divided by total R. Okay. Again we can take R common from this expression. Let us take R common. So it will be omega AR dot L divided by R, 1 plus L by C dot RS dot R. Now we know quality factor, expression for quality factor, it is nothing but omega L dot R, right? So we can replace this omega AR dot L by quality factor for the anti-resonant circuit. So it will be QAR like this, and divided by this entire bracket, 1 plus L by C dot RS dot R. Okay, so we can see here the quality factor after considering source resistance for parallel resonant circuit has been reduced by amount of this bracket. Okay, so quality factor at anti-resonant circuit, QAR divided by 1 plus, now L by CR, here L by CR term is present, L divided by C dot R. So it is nothing but dynamic impedance. So we can write down quality factor at anti-resonance divided by 1 plus dynamic impedance divided by source resistance. Now under match condition, what will happen, this ZD will be is equal to RS. For maximum power transfer we will have match condition, so ZD will be equal to RS. So both the things will be equal and cancel out, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Therefore quality factor at anti-resonance at match condition will be normal quality factor divided by 2. So there will be 50% reduction in the quality factor. So we can come to conclusion that quality factor decreases because of inclusion of this RS, and ultimately as quality factor decreases, selectivity also decreases. As selectivity is decreased, bandwidth of the circuit will be increased. As quality factor is reduced by 50%, bandwidth will be doubled. So in this way we can see what are the effects of inclusion of source resistance in parallel resonant circuit on quality factor, selectivity and bandwidth of the circuit. Thank you.